Okay, this is St Tyfodwyg's famous Pilgrim stone, which we're very proud of in St Tyfodwyg, Glyn Ogwr. We're looking at the representation of a man who was most probably a medieval pilgrim, and some of the experts reckon it might even be the saint himself, St Tyfodwyg. In his right hand, he's holding a pilgrim's staff, and in his left, what we call a scrip, which is a medieval satchel. And there are then signs of medieval pilgrimage. There's a shell telling us that he would have been visited on holy pilgrimage, the site of St James's bones in Santiago de Compostela, northern Spain. There's also the sign of the cross, telling us that at one point on his travels he would have gone to Jerusalem, the site of the Holy Cross there. And the last sign of pilgrimage is the cross keys, indicating St Peter, who died in Rome. So our pilgrim would have visited the holy site in Rome as well.